China's reform and opening up meets its people's aspiration for development, innovation, and a better life. It also meets the global trend toward development, cooperation, and peace. As such, China's reform and opening up can and will be a great success. 4 decades of reform and opening up has given us many valuable inspirations. The most important one is that for any country or any nation to achieve rejuvenation, they must follow the logic of history and the trends of the times in their pursuit of progress and development.